Okay, so now I'm gonna show you another website. I'll show you Python-based AI web service that analyzes images using machine learning models. The project is called VisualAIServices, and it allows you to upload an image and get predictions instantly. This is not a traditional website with pages and UI. This is a backend API built using FastAPI. The main purpose is to take an image as input, run it through an AI model, and return predictions about what is it in the image. So instead of clicking pages, we interact with it through the API interface. Inside the docs page, we have two main endpoints. We have a third one that is just simple health check. That's nothing. This is analyze image and analyze image CIFAR. These endpoints allow us to upload an image and get predictions. The first uses a general pre-trained model, ImageNet. The second uses a CIFAR-based model. Okay, let's try it out. We choose a file, let's say a cat, and execute. And here we get the results and the code. Okay. And then let's try this one. For the CIFAR, choose a file. We're gonna select a dog and execute. And here are the results. So how it works behind the scenes, FastAPI handles the web server, the model processes the image, the API returns structured JSON results. The folders, we have source API, that's the API logic, source models for ML models, source training for training scripts, and data and artifacts for datasets and saved models, as we can see here. If certain models are missing, like CIFAR, the endpoint may fail. In that case, you need to train or provide the model files. So in conclusion, this project demonstrates how to build an AI-powered backend, serve machine learning model via an API, test everything through an interactive interface. It's a solid foundation for building real AI-powered applications. And now I have chosen one file to demonstrate. This is the main file. This is the main py in source API. The application starts by creating a FastAPI instance. This defines the API's name, the description, and the version. Then we have two data models. Health response, this is a simple model with one field that has a string used to confirm the API is running. And then we have the analyze response. This is the main response structure for image analysis. It includes file name, top one label, top K labels, aka best predictions and top predictions, blur score for the image sharpness, mask path for segmentation mask. These models ensure all API responses are structured and consistent. Okay, we have the helper functions. Save upload to a temp file. This takes the uploaded image, saves it to a temporary file on disk, and returns the file path. This is needed because the AI models work with file paths, not raw uploads. We get the health check here. Then we have the main endpoint, post analyze image. This is the primary endpoint. It receives uploaded image, saves a temporary file, calls analyze image temporary path, returns structured results. What it does is it does image classification, blur detection, and segmented mask generation. Then we have the second endpoint, that is the CIFAR analysis, very similar to the first endpoint. It receives the image, saves it, calls analyze image CIFAR, returns the results. The difference, it uses CIFAR-10 training module. A model does not guarantee a segmentation mask. So the core logic delegation is this file doesn't contain AI logic itself, as you can see. Instead, it calls analyze image and analyze image CIFAR. These functions are imported from source inference analyzer. Inference analyzer. So basically, this is the file where those are imported. Yeah, and so the overall flow of this website is the user uploads the image, FastAPI receives it, saves it to temporary file, passes to module, and results are returned as JSON. Yeah, well, that's it.